Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Color A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for avocado. B. B for bat. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for badminton. C. C for cat. C for candy. C for cap. C for carrot. D. D for doll. D for dog. D for donkey. D for diamond. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for ear. E for red color. F. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F for fruit. G. G for girl. G for grapes. G for guava. G for God. H. H for hen. H for house. H for home. H for honey. I for ice. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for island. J. J for jug. J for joker. J for jackfruit. J for jelly. K. K for king. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lime. L for lollipop. M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for magic. M for madam. N. N for neck. N for nose. N for nest. N for nails. O. O for owl. O for oil. O for orange. O for oats. Black color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. So kids, what we learn today? We learn green color, red color, blue color and black color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.